Hello Crypto Sister community, before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you always do own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. Today we're doing a full walkthrough of Godex and answering viewers how does Godex actually work and is it easy to use for beginners. If you heard about Godex but never tried it before, this video should give you a complete overview of the platform, how the swap process works, how the rates work, and what to expect before making your first swap. The first thing you will notice when you open the website is how simple everything looks. There are no registration forms and no email verification requests. The swap form is directly on the homepage, and that makes it very easy for new users to understand where to start. At the top, you simply choose the cryptocurrency you want to send and the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if I want to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, I will select Bitcoin in the You Send field and Ethereum in the You Get field. Then I enter the amount I want to swap. The one thing I like here is that the platform immediately calculates the estimated amount you will receive, and this makes it easy to compare rates with other services before moving forward. Godex currently supports more than 936 cryptocurrencies and tokens, and that includes major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many others. And another feature is that there are no swap limits, so you can swap a small amount or a large amount. The platform will handle any volume. After you select your coins and the amount, you click Exchange and move to the next screen. Here you will enter your destination wallet address. This is the address where your new coins will be sent after the swap is completed. You will also enter a sender address, which can use as a refund address if that is necessary. After you review everything, you continue to the confirmation screen. At this point, Godex generates a deposit address where you will send your cryptocurrency. Once the funds arrive and receive net for confirmation, the swap process begins automatically. Now let's talk about one feature that often confuses beginners: fixed rates and floating rates. A floating rate changes with market condition. Let's say you are swapping 1 Bitcoin for Ethereum. When you start the swap, the estimated amount might be 38 Ethereum. If the market moves before the swap is finished, the final amount could be slightly higher or lower. A fixed rate works very differently. The platform locks the rate at the moment you start the transaction, so if the rate is fixed at 38 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin, that's the amount you expect to receive regardless of market movements during processing. Another thing that is worth mentioning is privacy. Godex follows a no KYC model. That means the platform does not require identity verification or personal documents for normal swaps. After logging into the personal profile section, you can open the transaction page and monitor the progress of your swap. You'll be able to see whether the deposit has been received, whether confirmations are complete, and whether the transaction has been finalized. For people who are new to crypto swaps and they want something straightforward without unnecessary steps, Godex is one of the easier platforms to understand and use. So if you like them and you want to stay updated with the latest news and announcements, make sure you check out their social medias. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching, Crypto Sister community, and I'll see you in the next one.